Take cardboard creativity to the next level with the Makedo Spin-Hinge. It lets you add motion to your creations, whether you want to swing or spin. Let's make a door and learn how to use it. Position the spin hinge where you want to add movement. It's all about flexibility and creativity. Once it's positioned, it's time to secure in place with a quick twist using screws and the screwdriver. Attach the spin hinge with 2 or 4 screws to keep your creation strong and steady. Now watch the door swing open and closed, adding movement and interactivity to your build. You can also use the spin hinge to create a flap and add movement and interactivity to your designs. Spin your creations freely, adding fun and endless motion. Or use the spin hinge as a brace, making your creations even stronger and more resilient. You can also use it to connect boxes and create even more dynamic structures. How cool is that? With the spin hinge, add new ways to make and play with cardboard. What will you create with Makedo?